Hi, today we are gonna see usage of let and allow. First condition is subject usage. Let is often used with a personal subject, indicating permission given by someone. For example, she let me borrow her book. Allow is more flexible and can be used with both personal and non-personal subjects. For example, the rules allow for 2 players per team. Next one is formality. Let is generally considered more informal and is often used in everyday language. For example, let me know if you need any help. Allow is often used in more formal or official contexts. For example, the policy allows for exceptions under certain circumstances. Next one is usage in commands or requests. Let is often used when giving or asking for permission in a more direct or personal manner. For example, let me use your computer, please. Allow is used when stating rules, regulations, or conditions. For example, the system allows for customization of settings. Next one is common phrases. Let is commonly used in phrases like, let someone do something, to indicate permission. For example, let them finish their work before you interrupt. Allow is frequently used in phrases like allow for or allow someone to do something. For example, the schedule allows for flexibility. Let's see the examples for each term to illustrate the differences. Let examples. Direct permission. She let him take her umbrella when it started raining. Requests. Let me know if you need any assistance with the project. Personal authorization. My parents let me stay out late on weekends. Suggesting permission. Why don't you let me handle the negotiations? Allowing actions. The teacher let the students choose their own partners for the project. Offering assistance. Let me help you with carrying those bags. Expressing willingness. If you need a ride, I can let you use my car. Granting access. The manager let the employees access the new software features. Invitations. Let's have dinner together sometime next week. Giving consent. He finally let his son get a pet after much persuasion. Next. Allow examples. Rule-based permission. The company policy doesn't allow employees to use personal devices for work. Formal authorization. The government regulations allow for exceptions under certain circumstances. Setting limits. The program allows users to upload files up to a certain size. Policy guidelines. The school dress code allows for casual attire on Fridays. Legal permissions. The contract allows the client to terminate the agreement with a 30-day notice. Conditional permissions. The system allows changes to be made only by authorized administrators. Creating opportunities. The flexible schedule allows employees to work from home when necessary. Granting privileges. The membership allows access to exclusive events and discounts. Adhering to standards. The software only allows alphanumeric characters in the password field. Permitting modifications. The rental agreement allows tenants to make minor improvements with landlord approval. Okay. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.